We are going to find the zeros of x in x squared plus 5x plus 6 using the calculator. You're going to go to Menu, Algebra, Polynomial Tools, Find Roots of Polynomials. Since the degree is to second power, we will keep it as is, but if it was different, you could change it. You're going to press OK and put it in order. So 1, 5, and 6. Press OK. The numbers in the parentheses are the zeros of x, which would be x equals -3 and x equals -2. We can check this by graphing it out. X squared plus 5x plus 6. Press OK. Menu. Analyze graph. 0. As you can see, one of them is -3, and the next one would be -2.
To find x using a t-chart, you must first find the multiples of 32, which are going to be 1 and 32, 2 and 16, and 4 and 8. So make your t-chart, and then to get x squared, you need x times x, and then plug in 1 and 32. Cross multiply to get x times 32, which is 32x, and x times 1, which is 1x. Then figure out by adding or subtracting if you can equal 4x. So 32 minus 1 is 31x, and 32 plus 1 is 33x. Neither of these equal 4x, so therefore 1 and 32 are not the solution. Then try 2 and 16. So make your t again, x and x, and 2 and 16. 16 times x is 16x, and x times 2 is 2x. Again, 16 minus 2 is 14x, and 16 plus 2 is 18x. Neither of these are the solutions either, so cross that out, cross these out. Last but not least, try 4 and 8. So x and x, 4 and 8. 8 times x is 8x, and 4 times x is 4x. 8 plus 4 is 12x, and 8 minus 4 is 4x. This is your solution, or not your solution, this is your 4x that you need here. So in order to get that, you did 8 minus 4, which is, you're going to put the minus here, because 8 minus 4 equals 4. So then you're going to write it out as you read it. So it's going to be x minus 4, like that, and x plus 8. Since there's no minus there, we know it's a plus. So x plus 8. Then you're going to set these both equal to 0. So x minus 4 equals 0, and x plus 8 equals 0. Then to solve for them, on this one, you need to add 4 to both sides to get x by itself. So it's going to be x equals 4. And on this side, you need to subtract 8 from both sides to get x by itself, which is going to be x equals -8. So these are your solutions. And that is how you solve for x using t-charts.
So the equation we're going to be using today for our example, x squared plus 4x plus 3. This is your quadratic formula. So you're going to put a equals 1, b equals 4, c equals 3. So now we're going to set up the quadratic formula. X equals -b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac for 2a. So then you're going to plug in your numbers. X equals -4 plus or minus square root 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3 over 2 times 1. Now once you've got that, you're going to simplify, which will come out to x equals -4 plus or minus square root of 4 over 2. So now the square root of 4 comes out to 2, so plus or minus negative 4. So negative 4 plus 2 comes out to negative 2 divided by 2 equals negative 1. As you can see over there. Negative 4 minus 2 equals negative 6 divided by 2 equals negative 3. So your two x's is negative 1 and negative 3.